Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Judge and all the audience, good morning. My name is Mutia Putri Hanan from Islamic Elementary School Al Furqan. And today I will tell a story entitled The Frightened Lion. Please listen to me and let me begin. One night, Lion is getting ready for bed. He reads his favorite bedtime story and sings his favorite bedtime song. He turns on his nightlight, then he hears a sound. Tap, tap. What's that sound? He whispers. That sound is coming from outside the window. He climbs out of bed, he grabs his baseball bat and tiptoes towards the window. Tap, tap. It's a monster, he thinks. He grabs his bicycle helmet and puts it on his head for protection. Then, hears the sound again. Tap, tap, tap. The lion panics. The monster is getting closer. It sounds like the biggest, scariest monster ever. Tap, 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 tap. Lion panics. Lion squeals. He runs away from the window and hides under the bed. He pulls a blanket over his head and he holds his baseball bat tightly in his hands and tap tap. A little frog jumps up on the windowsill. The frog is wearing a tutu and tap shoes. She dances a little dance. She looks through the window and sees Lion hiding under the bed. Lion is wrapped in a blanket, wearing a bicycle helmet and holding a baseball bat. He looks ridiculous, and to be honest, he feels ridiculous too. I have some new dance to show you, says the frog. But you look busy, I'll come back later, see ya. The frog hops down to the ground and happily dances away. So, ladies and gentlemen, the moral of the story is, our imagination could make things scarier than they really are. And thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.